Hey, you're here. Awesome. Come on in. I can't wait to show you the house. Roger's inside. We'll go say hi. I just picked up some groceries from Trader Joe's around the corner. So you're gonna have a choice of either staying in the Casita here, or there's 2 other bedrooms that we'll show you inside. Come on in. All right, let's go say hi to Roger. Hey honey, our guests are here. Would you mind showing them around and showing them the pool and the barbecue while I go get dressed?
Okay, that sounds good. I'd love to. Hey, you guys, welcome. Let me get off the bike here. Okay, come on out. I'll show you the pool. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a great weekend. Follow me. We're excited you guys are here. And by the way, the pool's amazing, and you guys can use it anytime you want while you're here. Look at this. Beautiful crystal clear pool, you know. It's gonna be a hot weekend, so take advantage of it. And then tomorrow night, actually, we're gonna barbecue over here. Grill up some steaks, some vegetables. And then, you know, after dinner, we'll have cocktails right by the fire pit. It'll be really lovely. You know, the sun goes down, the fire goes up, enjoying each other's company. Come on back inside. Jillian's probably done changing. We're gonna get ready to go to dinner. I'll do the same. Jillian, I'm gonna show them the main bedroom. Are you dressed?
I'm decent, come on in. Oh, hey guys, come on in. I'll show you the bathroom. We just had it redone. Check it out. I love the freestanding tub. And then look at this little jacuzzi we have on the lower bedroom. And after we soak, we sit by the fire. I'm gonna show you the Casita. We have 2 other bedrooms in addition to these 2 bedrooms, which you saw the gym. But I'll show you guys where you're sleeping tonight. So you're more than welcome to hang out in the house at any time, but I'll show you your Casita that you're staying in for tonight. So I'll leave you guys here to get ready. We'll walk across the street and go for dinner. I'll see you in a bit. Oh, hey, you guys ready? Let's walk across the street for dinner. It's such a beautiful night. Follow us.